Today we are in Bardhaman, West Bengal, a place where there is 108 ancient shivlings, and it's a very beautiful place. I'll quickly introduce you to all the shivlings. And this shivling is Satyanandanath Sarvagrasi. Very beautiful shivlings. See, you can see this big corridor. There are 108 shivlings here. Veera Vagrasi, Jyoti Kuladhan, Tibra Taba. So here in Bengali, whatever is ver becomes ber, like Vishal becomes Bisal. So the pronunciation is a little different. This is Somnath Ling. You can see every Garbhagraha has a shivling here. And Raksha Yagneshwar. Hello. That's a small baby. This is Shura Ari Shivling. Madan Ari. Tratakeshwar Shivling. Prana Vallabha Shivling. Kapirajanath. Shashank Shekhara. Kaleshwara. Bhojanath. Shri Bhairavapati. Mahajishnu. After Mahajishnu, it's Mahavishnu. Shri Guru Murti. Badri. So friends, this is the Badri Shivling. Very beautiful for meditation and dhyan and jap. Papahari. Trayambak. Pushpadantanath. So there are 108 shivlings. Guru Dhvani Shivling. Paratyar Shivling. Chandranath. Chakri Shivling. Paramaguru. Guru Shri. Vishwakarta Shivling. Sabharnajayi Shivling. Sanatana Shivling. This is the Shivling for Sanatana Dharma. Janardana Shivling. Tilaka Vijayi. So Ba becomes Va, it's Tilaka Vijayi Shivling. That's Ishan Shivling. Ishana Shivling. That's Ashutosh Shivling. Bhujanga Bhushana. Anta Kadandi. So this is the famous Kashinath Shivling, like the Kashi Vishwanath. Shri Pajjabadan. Shri Pajjabadan Shivling. Madana Shivling. Mrityunjaya Shivling. the Mahamrityunjay mantra, Shivling. Rajarajeshwara Shivling. Trilochan Shivling. Chaturbhuja Shivling. Neelakanteshwar. Nadarupi. Nadarupi Shivling. Nagabhatta. Nagabhatta Shivling. Yogi Varnapati Shivling. Tilabhandareshwar Shivling. Yadukaleshwar Shivling. Shivakanta Shivling. Lakshmi Kanta Shivling. So these were so many Shivlings, and these are many more to cover. Pushpadanteshwara. So teeth like flowers. Pushpadanta. That's another beautiful gate, and there's a huge meadow like lawn over there. Pareshnath Shivling. Yadunath Shivling. Agati Ragati. Agati Ragati, a unique name. Agati Ragati Shivling. Vishwapati. Vishwapati Shivling. Ramapati. Ramapati Shivling. Pati of Ramadevi. Shri Vasuki Pati. Vasuki Pati Shivling. Shivapriya. Shivapriya Shivling. Umapati Shivling. Shri Ghanteshwara Shivling. Jnaneshwara Shivling. Gangadhara Shivling. Beautiful song in the background for meditation. Shri Lakshmi Kantheshwara Shivling. Jaleshwara Shivling. Jagannatha. Jagannatha Puri Shivling. Shri Ravaneshwar Shivling. It's like the Devghar Shri 1008 Ravaneshwar Shivling. Baba Baidyanath Dham Shivling. Chakreshwara Shivling. Bhutanatha Shivling. Kubereshwar Shivling. This is Kuber's Shivling. Jagat Guru Shivling, like the Jagat Guru Shri Ravi Shankar Guruji. Hari Hara. Shivashchamay Vishnu, Vishnushchamay Shiva. Hari Hara. Hari mein Hara. Vishnu and Shiva are one. Vakreshwara Shivling. Slightly tilted, I think, so it's a Vakreshwara Shivling. Yogi Janardhan Shivling. So that's a beautiful Parvati, Mata and Ganapati. In the evening time, it's totally lit. Yogi Janardhana Shivling. Vigna Vinashana Shivling. Vigna Vinashana Shivling. Shri Prayamapati Shivling. Shambhu. Shiva Shiva Shambho. Shambho. Vibhuti. Vibhuti Shivling. Vibhuti Bhabhuti Shivling. Jati Shivling with a jata. Shri Tarakeshwar Shivling. Tarakeshwar is the Swarup of Nataraj. Very nice temple near West Bengal. Shri Kapadi Shivling. Shri Kapardi Shivling. Drishadhabaj Shivling. Parvatipati, Kailashpati, Parvatipati, Parvatipati, Parvati के पति शिवलिंग. Keshava, Keshava शिवलिंग. Nageshwara शिवलिंग. It's like the Nageshwar, Onda Nagnath and Nageshwar. So they have put lights everywhere. Nageshwar Shivling. And Dwarka Nageshwar Shivling. Kripanatha Shivling. That's a beautiful lamp. Siddhinatha Shivling for Siddhanatha Shivling. Kapileshwar Shivling. Maybe Kapila Muni has done the Pratisthapana. Vamalinga. Chandrachuda Shivling. Shri Vishwapati Shivling. Sadashiva Shivling. Adinatha Shivling. Adinatha, like Adi Yogi Shivling. Varanasi Pati. This is the Shivling of Varanasi, Kashi Shivling. Parameshwara Shivling. Samba Sadashiva Parameshwara. Shamba Parameshwara. Maharudra. This is the Maharudra Shivling. Rudra Digambara Shivling. That's the beautiful pond, water pond and beautiful music. Shulapani Shivling. Shula Shivling. Shula is Trishula Shivling. Shiva Linga. Maheshwara Shivling. So in nearly 13 to 15 minutes, 20 minutes, we are covering all the 108. Vibhu Shivling. Mahakal Shivling. Ugra Shivling. Sthanu Shivling. Now we have completed the 108 Shivlings, and this is the main Shivling, Vardhaman 108 Shiva Mandir. This is the main Shivling. हाँ जी नमस्ते. हाँ जी. एक मिनट. और ये है पंडित जी यहाँ पे गर्भगृह में जो अभिषेक कर रहा है शिवलिंग का. ओम नमः शिवाय. और ये है मेन द्वार 108 शिवलिंग मंदिरों का, और हमने पूरे 108 मंदिरों को कवर किया है एग्जैक्टली 15 मिनट्स में। ओम नमः शिवाय।